I got all sorts of lights going on in my dash. My wheel speed sensor is intermittent. Usually it only comes on after my remote start. And if I actually turn off my car and turn it back on, then it will go away. I don't know what's causing it. But anyway. So this is the one day a month I go in early to do some counts. And it's a full moon out. And actually the sky looks just amazing. There's a streaky, cloudy kind of look to it with the full moon lighting its way through. And we're in for a whopper of a snowstorm. Something that they've been warning us since Monday. It originally wasn't supposed to happen until the end of the week. Now they're calling for Wednesday afternoon. Pretty much all of Wednesday afternoon, evening, and all of Thursday. I just checked the updated report this morning, well, this evening, and we're in the 8 to 12 path. Now, I've already made comments in the past about how they like to exaggerate, but that number's been increasing. And it's definitely warning a lot of people. I see the same picture over and over again on my Facebook feed, people sharing what is to come. So, yeah, I'm guessing that we're going to get at least 8, probably 10, and that is a big deal here right now. 8, I can manage getting to work in. 10, I'm not leaving my driveway. That's all there is to it. I wasn't sure if that asshole was going to stop. I just don't see the point. I mean, literally, if you can't get out of your own driveway, what is the point in trying to trek a drive like this? Yes, it's not major. However, getting stuck halfway to work isn't something you want to do. I keep forgetting that it's 11 o'clock at night, not 2 in the morning. There's a lot more traffic out. So anyway, as I said, I'm gonna play it by ear. Sad thing is, the stuff is supposed to start about 7 o'clock this morning, and I don't know if it's just going to ease in. That is my seatbelt indicator. I've already priced out a replacement. I don't think I can pull it apart and fix just the sensor. I mean, this is the seatbelt we're talking about here, so not something I really want to do, but I'll still open it up and look at it, but I'm going to buy a replacement anyway. I just hope that the bolt that's holding the latch comes out. They're notorious for getting stuck. But anyway, so yeah, it's supposed to start at like 7 o'clock tomorrow actually, and it's gonna last pretty much from then until Friday morning. And they're calling it that thick, heavy, wet snow, that massive, nasty snow. So getting home today isn't going to be bad at all. It's going to be easy. It probably won't even be starting, but it'll have all day to dump on us, and I'm just worried that there's going to be an accumulation amount to where they're either going to have school early, get out early, or the buses are going to have some massive problems. We'll just basically have to wait and see. I mean, there's nothing else that I can do, but I've been saying this for a while, that because this winter has been so mild and we've got relatively little snow and it's been relatively warm, that we're due for Mother Nature to smack us before we run into spring, and this is definitely going to be it. it's funny because I keep hearing in the news how the road commission is saying things like, well, we've got an abundance of salt and we've got a surplus of money and blah, 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 blah. Where do you think that surplus is going to end up? Definitely not going to end up on the roads. I can see it end up on, I don't know, somebody's gambling table. But anyway. So I will definitely, I've got probably like 6 or 7 videos that I've edited. I've got them on the phone right now. I'm going to let them upload while I'm at work. And I'm going to get this video edited and uploaded to try to stay as current as possible. I also put my 360 camera mount right here at the center, as you can probably see. And that is not for my drive along videos. That is just my dash cam position. When I know that I don't have crap to say, it's just there for my dash cam. And that's a good spot. Much easier, and it has a great view all around. So, alright guys, well, I'm almost to work now. Turned out to be a really nice fire station there. Almost to work, so I'll go ahead and let you go now. And yeah, can't wait for the impending doom. So, take care.